Assalamu alaikum students. Unit number 1 quadratic equation and exercise number 1.3 we will start today. So in exercise number 1.1 and 1.2 you have understand the basic ideas and the three methods to solve a quadratic equation. They were factorization, second one completing the square, and the third one in exercise number 1.2 by quadratic formula. They were the three methods to solve a quadratic equation, and also the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In exercise number 1.1 question number 1 you know how to express a rational fraction and into a standard form, and in question number 2 that is factorization, completing the square and using of quadratic formula. Now in exercise number 1.3 the topic 1.4 equation reducible to quadratic equation. It means these are not the quadratic equation but they can be reduced into the quadratic equations. It has three types. The first type, the equation of the form ax4 plus bx square plus c. So an equation that contain x power 4 and then x square and then a constant, this is x power 4. So it can be reduced to a quadratic equations simply by replacing x square equal to y, changing of the variable. If we let x square equal to y, it means x power 4 will be y square. If x square equal to y, it is an example. Solve the equation x4 minus 13x4. We will reduce its order. We let x square equal to y. It means taking square x4 will be equal to y square. Now x4 is replaced by y square and x square will be y. Y square minus 13y plus 36 equal to 0, which can be factorized as 36. Now we will solve this by midterm break method, and since we have to find the value of x, but here the solution is of y, so y we have let equal x square equal to 9 and x square equal to 4, taking square root and find their answer. So in exercise number 1.3 you will deal with such type of equation in which you will reduce its order. And the type number 2 is a into p of x plus b into p of x equal to c. It is an equation and its reciprocal. See this 2x minus 1 and it is 3 over 2x minus 1. In this question we let this equal y equal to x minus 1. So students, let's start the exercise, and after solving these type of questions and the method, I will also mark you their types with example. Equation reducible to quadratic equation. Here are 4 to 5 types of that equation that are reducible to quadratic equation. We will solve these equations and also I'll write the example related to them. See the exercise number 1.3. 2x4 minus 11x square plus 5. Question number 2, 2x4 equal 9x square minus 4. And also the example we have just seen, that is example number 1. It means example number 1, question number 1 and question number 2 also example number 1. They are similar. And then you can see 5x power 1 by 2 equals 7x power 1 by 4 minus 2, x power 2 over 3 plus 54 equal 15x power 1 by 3. These are the equations in which there is a half power, not a 1 power. It can also be reduced to a quadratic equation. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 are similar. 6, 7, 8, 9 are similar. Let's see if we have an example related with it. 6, 7, 8, 9. Example number 2. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9 and example number 2 are similar. Example 2 are similar, and question number 3, 4 are similar, and 5 they are similar. Let's start this exercise. I will try to solve it for you, and I will make the quadratic equation I will reduce the given equations to a quadratic equation, and then we'll use the 3 method: factorization, completing the square, or using quadratic formula to find their solution. Exercise number 1.3. The first question is solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. The first question is 2x power 4 minus 11x power 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. As we just solved the example, we understand the example, it is similar to it. See, the power is 4. So to reduce its power, we let y equal x square. This will imply, taking square both sides, y square will be x power 4. So in this equation, x4 will be replaced by y square, minus x square will be replaced by y minus 11y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this equation has been reduced to a quadratic equation. To find its solution, we'll start from factorization, because factorization is the simplest way to solve a quadratic equation. So by factorization, it is easy. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 2y square, 10 1s are 10, minus 10y minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Taking y common, inside bracket we have y minus 5. Taking minus 1 common, in the bracket we have y minus 5. You are familiar with the factorization. Taking y minus 5 common into 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now as y minus 5 equal to 0, y equal to 5, and 2y minus 1 equal to 0, we have 2y equal to 1, y equal 1 by 2, but y was equal to x square, and we have to solve it. Mean we need to find the value of x. Here y is equal to this, x square equal to 5. Taking square root, x square plus minus square root of 5. So the first solution is x equal plus minus 5. There are two solutions, one with plus and one with minus. As the equation has maximum power 4, so its answer will be 4. Here as y equal x square, it means x square equal 1 by 2. Taking the square root, x square is equal to plus minus 1 by square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2. So next two solutions are plus minus 1 over square root of 2. Solution set, I have no space. Solution set should be behind them, should be at the end, not behind. Solution set plus minus square root 5 plus minus 1 over square root of 2. Example number 1 we just solved, and its next question 2 will be for you. It is simple. 2x4 equal 9x square, 2x power 4 is equal 9x square minus 4, express it in the standard form, 2x4 minus 9x2 plus 4 equal to 0. Again let y equal x square, let y equal to x square, it means y square will be equal to x power 4. You can solve it. This first expression becomes 2y square minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. 2 4 times 8, 8 ones are 8. Factorization. Taking 2y common, inside bracket we have y minus 4. Taking minus 1 common, inside bracket we have y minus 4. Now y minus 4 common into 2y minus 1 equal to 0, equal to 0. Here two possible solution, y minus 4 equals 0 and 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 2y is equal 1, y equal 1 by 2, and y is equal to 4, but y was equal to x power 2. It means x square equal to 4, taking square root to find the value of x, and the square root 4 is 2 solution, but y was equal to x square is equal 1 by 2, taking square root 1 over square root 2 with plus minus, as the square root of 1 is 1. So solution set now. Plus minus 2 and plus minus 1 over square root of 2. Just quickly we'll solve all the parts so you not face any confusion. Third part is different. 5x power 1 by 2 is equal 7x power 1 by 4 minus 2. See this, which power is greater? 5x power 1 by 2. It means 5x power 0.5, as 1 by 2 equal 0.5, and 7x power 1 by 4, 1 divided by 4 mean 0.25. So first we'll arrange this. Maximum power, least power, and 0 power. It will be positive and come to the left hand side is equal to 0. Now in this situation again you let y equal x power 1 by 4, taking square y square equal x power 1 by 4 its power 2. As you know, while taking square, power will multiply with power. X power 1 over 4 multiply by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So y square is equal to x power 1 by 2. Now in the given equation, x power 1 by 2 will replace by 1 becomes 5x power 1 by 2, it means 5y square, minus 7x power 1 by 4, x power 1 by 4 equal to y, minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now again factorization will be our first priority, as it is simple. 2 5s are 10, so 2 or 5 are the factor. 5y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. 5y common, inside bracket we have y minus 1, minus 2 common, y minus 1, y minus 1 common into 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Here y minus 1 equal to 0 and 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Y equal to 1, 5y equal to 2, y equal 2 by 5, but y was equal x power 1 by 4. So x power 1 by 4 equal to 1, x power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 3. We'll have to find the value of x. So to cancel this 4, taking power 4 on both sides, x power 1 by 4, power 4, 4 cancel with this 4, and 1 power 4 is 1. So the first answer is x equal to 1. And for second answer, here if we take power 4 on both sides, 2 over 3 power 4, 4 cancel with 4, power multiply, laws of exponent, 2 power 4 mean 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 are 16, and 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So the solutions are 1, 16 over 81. Okay, they are the simple parts. Similarly, in fourth and fifth part, I will reduce the given equation to a quadratic equation, and rest of the part you solve yourself. Now fourth part is x power 2 over 3 plus 54 is equal to 15x power 1 by 3. Here we'll check that which power is smaller and which power is greater. First we'll express in the standard form. Okay, let's check first. 1 divided by 3 mean, you may check it from the calculator, it is 0.333, and 2 divided 3 mean it is 0.666. so 2 over 3 is the largest value. Expressing it in the standard form, larger power, then smaller power, and then 0 power, that is 4 with x power 0 equal to 0. Let y equal x power 1 by 3, then y square will be x power 1 by 3 power 2, power will multiply with power, y square equal x power 2 over 3. Now x power 2 over 3 will be replaced by y square minus 15, x power 1 by 3 will be replaced by y plus 54 equal to 0. Midterm break, 54 1s are 9, 6 are 54. Y square minus 6y minus 9y plus 54 equal to 0. Y into y minus 6 minus 9 into y minus 6, y minus 6 into y minus 9 equal to 0. Either y minus 6 equal to 0 or y minus 9 equal to 0. Here we have y equal to 6 and y equal to 9, but y equal x power 1 by 3, so x power 1 by 3 equal to 6 and x power 1 by 3 equal to 9. To find the value of x, we will need to take cube both sides. So 1 by 3 removes, vanishes, 3 cancel, 6 power 3 x equals 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Similarly, taking cube both sides, x equal 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 721. Solution set. Two 729. Now fifth part, I will just give you its hint, and rest of the part you solve yourself, and that's what we have in our first lesson today. Fifth is 3x power minus 2 plus 5 equal 8x power minus 1. It is simple that minus 2 is smaller and 8x power minus 1 is largest. So 0 equal 8x power minus 1 will stay here, minus 3x power minus 2 minus 5 equal to 0. As 3x power minus 2 is smallest and 8x power minus is largest, so we'll let y equal x power minus 1, then y square will be x power minus 1 power 2, y square equal x power minus 2. Now putting the values, 0 equal, it is 8y, it is minus 3y square minus 5. So it's not necessary that we always let the smallest power, because minus 2 is smallest and minus 1 is largest. If we compare, if we minus 2 is smaller than minus 1, so we'll have we put the largest number equal y. So it's not necessary we'll always let the smallest power. It's not a condition. Now reverse this, minus 3y square when came to the left hand side, it is 3y square minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. 5 3s are 15, they are the factors, minus 5y minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Y common, 3y minus 5 minus 1 common, 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 3y minus 5 into y minus 1 equal to 0. 3y minus 5 equal to 0. We have y equal 5 by 3, and y minus 1 equal to 0. We have y equal to 1, but y was equal x inverse. It means x inverse equal 5 by 3, and x inverse will be equal to 1. Now x inverse mean 1 by x, it is reciprocal function. 5 by 3, cross multiply them, 3 equal 5x and x equal 3 over 5, and reciprocal of x 1 is always 1. Solution set. Over 5 comma 1. Thank you so much, students. Part 1 to 5 we have solved today. I hope you all understand this, and 6 7 8 9 are similar with example number 2. Inshallah we'll do in next lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.